Welcome to another video. For those who don't know me, my name is Ester-Melissa and I'm a health coach and a life coach. And I'm here to help people become a healthier, stronger, happier self. And you're so welcome to be here. Today we are talking about something that many people are curious about, but almost no one explains properly. Does it matter for both women or men? The answer is yes. And today I'll explain why in a gentle, respectful, and educational way. This video is for everyone who wants to understand their body better. Is it actually healthy to do pubic hair? Pubic hair has a purpose. Pubic hair is not there by accident. Just like eyelashes protect your eyes and nose hairs protect your lungs, pubic hair protects your most sensitive areas. It's not unhygienic. It's not dirty. It's a natural part of your body's defense system. And this applies to both men and women. This is a natural protection against bacteria. For both men and women, pubic hair acts as a barrier that reduces the amount of bacteria reaching delicate skin. Woman benefits. It protects the vulva and helps prevent UTIs, yeast infections, and pH imbalance. Men benefits. It protects the skin around the groin and reduces irritation and bacterial buildup from sweat. Pubic hair is like a natural cushion. It protects from friction caused by clothing, underwear, movement, sweating, and intimate contact. Without hair, many people, men and women, experience redness, soreness, shafting, ingrown hairs, and razor burns. Your body uses hair as a form of protection. Help maintain a healthy skin environment. Women have a delicate vaginal microbiome. Men have sensitive skin folds and natural oils that protects them. Shaving everything can disturb natural moisture, protective bacteria, pH, and oils that keep the skin healthy. Keeping some hair supports your body's natural defenses. It prevents micro tears. Shaving and waxing can cause tiny invisible cuts on the skin. These micro tears allows bacteria to enter and can lead to irritation and infection. This affects both women and men, and most people don't even know it's happening. About temperature regulation. Pubic hair helps regulate temperature and moisture in the groin area. It keeps the skin comfortable, balanced, less prone to irritation, and again, this benefits everyone. I'm not saying you should never shave or wax. Grooming is a personal choice, and you should always do what feels comfortable to you. But removing all the hair regularly can irritate the skin, weaken natural protection, increase the chance of ingrown hairs, create more sensitivity, and disturb your natural balance. You can trim, shape, or tidy, but you don't have to remove everything to feel clean or attractive. Your body's natural design already supports your health. This is not about beauty trends. Many people shape everything because of trends, pressure, or what society has shown us. But your body isn't wrong. Your natural hair isn't wrong. And you don't need to harm your skin to match someone else's idea of beauty. Understanding and respecting your body is a form of self-love. Your body is wise. Every part of it has a purpose, including the parts we don't talk about enough. Whether you're a woman or a man, you deserve to know how to care for your body in a healthy, confident way. If you want help becoming a healthier, stronger, and happier version of yourself, I'm here to help you get there. Thank you for watching, beautiful souls. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness, mindset, and life-changing insights. I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed, be kind to each other. Bye bye.